Hi folks, today is December 11th. I'm going to look at taking a JLBB trade. Haven't been able to take many trades with JLBB for the past couple weeks because I've been testing another system, but hopefully next week I'll be done with that and so I can start taking trades again. But we're after 12:30 and I'm not testing the other system past 12:30, so I saw we had, what is it here, the 30-year bond auction. And this is a risk 2 trade. I've taken this trade several times, so it has done pretty well in the past. But you guys can see here we're going to be using a 5 for the stop, 3 for the bracket, and activation time is going to be 13:01:30. And yeah, looks to be a pretty stable report here. I'll most likely use a 15 as my take profit, even though you can see the max moves have been pretty large, but average peaks are 13, 21, and the reversal has been 17 ticks. Let's see here, the past 12 reports we've had 6 spike then reverse, we've had 5 second peak moves, and we've had 1 dull reaction. So that's a pretty good record to have. Looks like 11 of the past 12 trades were winners, so let's go ahead and take a look back over here, see if we can get this set up. As usual, I'm going to go ahead and test to make sure that my brackets are going to enter at the proper time. Alright, we can go ahead and set this up for 12, 48, 57, actually 37. And again, this is just to make sure that our brackets are going to enter at the proper time. And as you guys just saw, that did not happen. So we're going to try this again. Worst thing that can happen is what you just saw happen occurring in a live trade or in a trade that you're expecting a good move out of. And the reason this happens a lot of times is because you set the time too close to the current time. So 12:49:27, that's about 20 seconds out. So it should work this time. 12:49:27. If it doesn't work that time, that tells me there's something going on. Okay, ZB315, ZB315. Let's see what we can find out here. 12:49:27. That should have.
Order pending.
Wow. Look at that, folks.
Order canceled.
Looks like it entered. Let me check the time.is website and see what it says. Okay, so it's showing that my time is exact, which is always a good thing, but let me check one other thing. There are also several softwares out there that will let you synchronize your clock. True. I can't recall if I clicked enable there on that first test, so make sure I did it that time. So 12:50. We'll do 12:51 and set the time to 07. Alright, it should work properly this time.
Order pending.
Beautiful.
Order canceled.
Alright, so everything worked as it's supposed to there. It's better to find any issues ahead of time. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this set up. Stop loss is going to be 5. Profit target we're going to use is a 15. Alright. Alright, use a 10 for the break even trigger. Alright. Entry time is going to be 13:01:30. Okay. We're going to be using a 3 for the bracket distance, so everything should be set up properly. Let's double check that here. Enabled is true. And a lot of times when this doesn't work and people ask me what's wrong, more often than not they just simply forgot to click enable, turn that to true. So that's something you want to be conscious about. Alright, stop is 5, profit target of 15, break even at 10, strategy internal, which activates this down here, 13:01:30, and bracket. So everything looks good. Click OK. We can drop this down to the bottom. Usually we won't have any early spikes or anything like that, because this one there's no set time for this. So alright, we have a couple minutes, about 9 minutes to go here, so I'm going to pause it and I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright, we're coming up on 13:01:30, which is when our bracket should be entering.
Order pending.
There they are. Market's still just floating around right in this area.
Order pending.
Beautiful move. Waiting for it to push through it. This isn't something that's
Order
gonna
filled.
give us a super large move. But as you guys can see there, it looks like we're going to get a bit of continuation with it as well. Let's see. Alright, so it looks like we made $156.25 on this trade, because there was already a previous balance on there. But I'm guessing we're going to get some continuation on that. Alright, this video is already a little bit longer than my typical video, mainly because I had to try to figure out what was going on, why it wasn't being entered, or my brackets weren't being entered. But definitely looks like the market's going to continue pushing up, like I said. Anyway, that's going to be it for this trade. And some of you guys will notice that I did change it from a 15 take profit to a 10 take profit. And the reason that I did that is, let me bring this higher back up. Alright, expect to be filled with about 2 ticks of slippage, then look for 6 to 10 ticks on the spike. So that's what I was looking for, 6 to 10 ticks on the spike. But I'm pretty sure my 15, the way things look, will have eventually been hit. Anyway, that's going to be it, and I will see you guys on the next video. And again, hopefully next week I'll be able to go ahead and start doing some more JLBB videos, because I should be wrapping up other things that I'm working on. Anyway, if you have any questions, just shoot me an email, and click the link below for more information on JLBB. Take care, folks.